Profile of Ruk Sindhi. Ruk Sindhi is a well-known historian, writer, and journalist from Sindh, Pakistan. Born on August 5, 1961, in the village of Hamidujan, Kandiaro, district Nosharofaros. He has made significant contributions to the understanding of Sindh's history and the Indus Valley Civilization. He earned his bachelor's degrees from the University of Sindh, Jamshoro. Ruk Sindhi is also a member of the Hyderabad Press Club and the Hyderabad Union of Journalists. He has authored several books and articles focusing on the history and culture of Sindh. His work often emphasizes the need to correct historical narratives and bring awareness to the rich heritage of the region. His research interests span various fields, including Indus Valley Civilization, Sindhi linguistics, and Sindh history. Here are some notable works by Ruk Sindhi. 1. Ajjg Sindh, a book on the history and politics of Sindh. Written in Sindhi. 2. Sindh Ji Kumi Tariq, articles on current issues and the political situation in Sindh, also in Sindhi. 3. Tohi Fatak Jo Saniho, an exploration of the political situation in Sindh, again in Sindhi. 4. My Memories, Ruk Sindhi's autobiography, delving into social history and personal experiences. 5. Vitriol Des Ji Kahani, articles discussing the political and social situation in Sindh and Pakistan. 6. Post-mortem of Sindh history, articles focusing on the history of Sindh and the Indus Valley Civilization. 7. Sindh Ji Siasi Sauthal, a book on the political situation in Sindh, published in Sindhi. 8. Kumonain Chomi Terik Azadi, another book on politics and social science, also in Sindhi. 9. Pakistan Tofanji Gari Mine, a Sindhi translation of Pakistan Tofanji Gari Mine, originally written in another language. 10. Aryan Hypothesis, an exploration of the Indus Civilization. Aryan and Dravidian hypotheses, and related topics. 11. Suki Dati, a book discussing floods in Sindh and the political situation in the region. 12. Tariq Ji Lat, a work on Sindhi literature and Sindh's history. Ruk Sindhi's contributions shed light on Sindh's rich heritage, linguistic studies, and socio-political context. His research continues to enrich our understanding of this fascinating region. Certainly, Ruk Sindhi, the historian, writer, and journalist, remains active in his research. His work spans various areas, including Indus Valley Civilization, Sindhi linguistics, and Sindh history. Here are some recent resources related to his work. 1. YouTube channel. Ruk Sindhi has a YouTube channel where he shares lectures on the Indus Valley Civilization and the history of Sindh and South Asia. 1. You can explore topics like agriculture, human evolution, and more. 2. Lecture series on Indus Valley Civilization. Ruk Sindhi's YouTube channel features educational videos that delve into the fascinating aspects of the ancient Indus civilization and its impact on our understanding of history. 3. Recent video. In one of his recent videos, Ruk Sindhi discusses how agriculture was invented by women in Sindh. The video sheds light on the rich cultural and historical context of Sindh. 4. Archived reports. You can also find archived reports related to Ruk Sindhi's work. These reports cover topics such as Sindh's heritage, politics, society, and culture. Remember that for the most up-to-date information, it's best to explore his YouTube channel and other recent sources. As of my last update, Ruk Sindhi continues to be an active researcher and writer. His dedication to exploring Sindh's history, linguistics, and socio-political context remains steadfast. However, for the most up-to-date information, I recommend checking recent sources or directly reaching out to him if possible.